SafeShoot in this modern era of everything being technologically advanced and you can barely figure out how to run your refrigerator is that there's only three things you need to know. On, off, righty tighty, and red means stop. Super simple. For me, that's refreshing. I like SafeShoot because it's like a car's airbag. Just because you have it doesn't mean you're going to drive like a maniac. It's designed to reinforce safe gun handling practices. And like a car's airbag, it's very technologically advanced inside, but it's super simple to actually use. In layman's terms, the SafeShoot uses three primary devices to create the network that keeps people safe. It uses a local RF radio frequency signal, it uses GPS, and it uses some microsensors inside to gauge the angle of the barrel. Once you're out in the field, you don't need to pair it. Every SafeShoot device recognizes every other SafeShoot device. It creates a network based on everyone's location and the angle of their barrels, and from there, it just tells you if somebody ends up in an unsafe situation. All right, so let's do a demonstration. This is the Defender unit. This is the one that would be used on a dog, an observer, or a guide. Just for example, it would slide into a harness on a dog. A guide or an observer could either put it in a pocket or in their backpack. I'm gonna run down range and set this, and then we'll demonstrate how it works. Again, no line of sight is needed. Otherwise, what value would there be in the product? So we're just doing a demo here. Sweep to the left, within 3 meters either side of the SafeShoot device. It's downrange, I get the unmistakable red light. Back to the right, no red light. The neat thing about this is, even though it goes out to a full 900 yards, the developers taper in that cone all the way out. So initially I thought it's gonna be a mile wide out there, 900 yards. But in fact, and this is calibratable, it stays to that meter on either side of the unit all the way out. Pretty slick. See if I can hit the back of the taxi.